Hello everyone. Did you know that eating just 3 dates a day can transform your health? These small dried fruits are packed with incredible benefits for the brain, heart, bones, and much more. In this video, we'll explore the numerous advantages of dates, their impact on your well-being, and why they can change your life. I'll also share tips on the ideal amount to consume and how to incorporate them into your diet. So, stick with me to uncover the secrets of this superfood. This video has been meticulously crafted to be more accurate and unique than any other on YouTube about the benefits of dates. We'll also discuss health conditions where you might need to avoid this fruit. Let's start with the first benefit. Dates are great for the brain. This organ consumes a lot of energy, and dates, rich in natural carbohydrates and nutrients, boost brain function. They contain antioxidants, such as flavonoids, which protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, two key factors in the development of degenerative brain diseases. Additionally, vitamins like B6, found in dates, help enhance cognitive and brain function. Incorporating dates into your daily routine can improve memory, concentration, and overall cognitive health. The natural sugars they contain provide a quick source of energy, helping your brain stay alert and function well. The second benefit involves cardiovascular health. Dates play a crucial role in promoting heart health due to their high concentration of nutrients, especially potassium. This mineral helps regulate heart rhythm and blood pressure by balancing the harmful effects of sodium, significantly reducing the risk of stroke and heart disease. Dates also contain magnesium, which is beneficial for heart health as it promotes better blood circulation and oxygenation. Antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic acid reduce inflammation and prevent plaque buildup in the arteries, thus protecting against atherosclerosis. Regular consumption of dates can also help lower LDL, commonly known as bad cholesterol, maintain flexible blood vessels, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular issues. When part of a balanced diet, dates support overall heart health and help prevent common cardiovascular disorders. In addition to their heart benefits, dates are excellent for bone health. Maintaining strong bones as we age is vital for leading an active and healthy life. Adding dates to your diet can strengthen bones thanks to their richness in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, essential for preventing bone diseases like osteoporosis. The natural sweetness of dates makes them a delicious addition to meals, whether as a snack or in various recipes. By consuming them daily, you not only enjoy their delightful taste, but also reinforce and preserve your bone structure in the long term. Next, dates offer numerous benefits for the digestive system, mainly due to their high fiber content. This fiber promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements by increasing stool bulk, making it easier to pass through the colon. It helps prevent constipation and maintains good bowel function. Additionally, the soluble fiber in dates acts as a prebiotic, feeding good gut bacteria and supporting a healthy gut environment. These fibers can also help manage blood sugar by slowing digestion and preventing spikes in glucose after meals. Their soothing effect on the digestive system can also naturally relieve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Furthermore, the amino acids in dates enhance digestion and nutrient absorption. Lastly, dates benefit the nervous system. This system regulates both voluntary and involuntary actions, transmitting messages throughout the body. Dates are rich in potassium and low in sodium, two essential elements for proper nervous system function. Potassium helps regulate nerve signals, heart rhythm, and muscle contractions. Regular consumption of dates can improve the speed and efficiency of brain functions. Moreover, the vitamins in dates promote the health and resilience of nerve cells, making the nervous system more efficient and responsive. By incorporating dates into your diet, you not only nourish your body but also strengthen your neurological system, leading to quicker and more effective nerve function. As for skin health, dates prove to be a valuable ally, especially as we age. Rich in vitamins C and D, they help maintain skin elasticity and softness. Dates also possess anti-aging properties, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and promoting a more youthful complexion. They can enhance your skin's glow and offer added protection against UV rays due to their antioxidants. Whether consumed or used in skincare treatments, dates help repair damaged skin cells, prevent dryness, and improve overall skin health. Another notable benefit of dates lies in their positive impact on liver health. The liver plays a crucial role in functions such as detoxification, protein synthesis, and the breakdown of chemicals. Over time, its efficiency may decline, making it more vulnerable to damage and disease. Thanks to their abundance of antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene, dates protect liver cells from oxidative damage, a key factor in many liver disorders, including fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. Additionally, the natural sugars in dates provide a healthy source of energy for the liver, aiding in digestion and nutrient absorption. Some studies have also shown that dates may have a therapeutic effect on liver fibrosis by slowing the progression of this condition through their anti-inflammatory properties. For older adults whose liver function may naturally decline over time, incorporating dates into their diet is a natural way to improve liver health. This not only helps maintain detoxification capabilities, but also supports liver regeneration, ensuring it continues to function well as one ages. Another major advantage of dates is their ability to regulate heart rhythm. Rich in potassium, dates play a vital role in maintaining a healthy heartbeat. This essential mineral helps the heart muscle contract properly and maintain a regular rhythm by regulating the heart's electrical activity and facilitating signal transmission across the heart muscle. Adequate potassium intake, particularly through dates, can help prevent disorders like arrhythmia, where the heart beats irregularly, either too fast or too slow. Additionally, the magnesium content in dates promotes muscle relaxation and reduces the risk of vascular spasms, further contributing to a regular heart rhythm. Eating dates is not just a sweet indulgence, but also supports the heart's electrical stability, contributing to better cardiac health and increased longevity. Dates are also powerful allies in strengthening the immune system. They are rich in essential nutrients such as vitamin C, an antioxidant that protects cells and boosts white blood cell production, helping the body fight infections like colds and flu. Vitamin D in dates helps enhance immune responses and reduces the risk of respiratory infections. Additionally, magnesium and zinc support the proper functioning of immune cells, bolstering the body's defenses against illnesses. For older adults, who are often more susceptible to infections, incorporating dates into their diet is a simple and tasty way to support their immune system, helping them combat seasonal viruses and other health issues. Consuming a few dates a day can be an effective strategy for maintaining a strong, resilient immune system. Finally, dates are highly effective in preventing anemia, a common condition characterized by a decrease in red blood cells or hemoglobin, often leading to fatigue and weakness. They contain iron, an essential mineral for the formation of red blood cells and hemoglobin, making them a valuable food choice for those looking to prevent or treat anemia. Iron plays a crucial role in enhancing the blood's ability to transport oxygen, ensuring that every part of the body receives the oxygen it needs to function properly. Due to their high iron content, dates are an excellent nutritional choice, particularly recommended for individuals at risk of anemia, such as pregnant women, menstruating women, growing children, and those recovering from illness or surgery involving blood loss. Furthermore, the natural sugars in dates provide a quick energy boost, helping to alleviate the fatigue often associated with anemia. Dates are also rich in copper, an essential element that aids in iron absorption in the intestines, allowing it to enter the bloodstream. This is vital, because even if you consume enough iron, it must be well absorbed to benefit the body. Additionally, dates contain vitamin C, which helps improve iron absorption by converting it into a more easily usable form. This ensures you get the most out of the iron you consume in your diet. For those looking to prevent or treat anemia, including dates in their daily diet can be a simple and effective approach. Recommendations for date consumption guidelines can vary depending on nutritional needs and individual health conditions. Here are some general recommendations for different groups. For children, dates can be introduced from 1 year of age, when the child starts eating solid foods. However, for children under 6, it is recommended to chop or mash the dates into small pieces to avoid choking hazards due to their sticky texture. For healthy adults and the elderly, the recommended intake is between 2 and 4 dates per day, depending on personal preferences and calorie requirements. Dates can be enjoyed as an energy-boosting snack, added to salads, breakfast cereals, or used in baked goods to enhance the nutritional value of meals. Precautions for certain groups. Although dates are highly nutritious and offer numerous health benefits, they may not be suitable for everyone. Here are 5 types of people who should exercise caution or even avoid dates. People with diabetes need to be cautious, as dates are high in natural sugars, which can cause a spike in blood sugar levels. Those with fructose intolerance may experience digestive issues due to the high fructose content in dates. Individuals with dental problems should avoid dates, as their sticky texture can cling to teeth and promote cavities. Anyone on a low-calorie diet should be mindful that dates are calorie-dense and should be consumed in moderation. Additionally, to prevent choking hazards, it is recommended that parents of young children, especially those under 3 years old, avoid giving them whole dates. It's better to mash or chop them finely to ensure their safety. Date paste recipe now. Let me share a delicious date-based recipe that's perfect for replacing refined sugar in your daily routine. Ingredients: 1 cup of pitted dates, about 200–300 milliliters of water. Instructions. 1. Soak the dates in warm water for 30 minutes to soften them. 2. Drain the dates, then transfer them to a food processor or blender. 3. Blend until a thick paste forms. If the mixture is too thick, gradually add water until the desired consistency is achieved. This date paste is versatile and can be used as a natural sweetener in various dishes, making it an excellent substitute for refined sugar. For the best results, make sure to use high-quality dates from reliable sources. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.